Hi there, it's Messy Moments with Marcy, and today I'm reflecting on a devotional that I was listening to today. And one of the verses that really stood out to me was to number our days. And Christine Kane, who sent the devotional or the podcast, was talking about not to number our years or decades, but to number our days. And that just really stuck with me. Days. Like, we really don't know how much time we have left on this earth. We only know how much time we've already spent. And I have some really big decisions ahead of me. I have life purpose shifts that I could make with career changes or family changes. And those decisions have been weighing a bit on me. And I've been, praying and seeking God about what to do about those, and that verse really helped me. If I only had 30 days left, or if I had 90 days, or if I had 265 days, I started thinking about, and I am starting to think about, what decision would I make if I knew I only had days left? What would matter? I started thinking about the financial pieces that have been burdening me. Those just went right out the window. Like, when I started thinking about 30 or 90 days, I'm like, I can't take any of my stuff with me. That doesn't make any eternal difference. Like, nope. And that just kind of cleared my plate to think about the purpose and plans that God has for me right in front of me. And it also reminded me of something I was thinking about yesterday and the day before, and kind of going through this difficulty where there are so many different life changes happening at once. You can't outthink those things or outplan those things. And I've been really meditating on the fact that I have grace for today. My days are numbered just like yours are, and we only have grace for today just like you do. God gives us what we need for today. And so I look back at yesterday, I had what I needed yesterday. And I will have what I need today, because that's what God promises. So being able to sit on the promise that God said, I will have what I need today, just like I had what I needed yesterday. So when I start thinking and jumping ahead, and another one of my videos, I talked about borrowing pain from the future. Marcy, don't borrow pain from the future. Borrow that joy. Sit and think about that. I also watched a movie with my kids. One of my favorite movies. I was always drawn to stories of resilience as a child, and stories of adoption and children who are overcomers. And so I was watching Pollyanna. I was showing my kids Pollyanna yesterday, and I love the glad game in that story. That is just like, that is the epitome of like my heart, the glad game. And to play the glad game, you take any circumstance or situation and find something to be glad about it. So in the story, there was a woman who was sick and bedridden, and so Pollyanna said, okay, let's play the glad game with that. Hey, you could be glad that no one else is sick and in bed. You could be glad that your eyes are working. You could be glad that your arms are working. You can be glad that people are visiting you. You can be glad that you're still breathing. So finding ways to be glad in the midst of challenging circumstances is also another way to keep yourself focused and framed on today and what graces and blessings and things you can be thankful about today, and keep your mind and your heart in a place of gratitude and joy in the midst of whatever you're going through. So I just want you to be encouraged today, and I'm using these things to encourage me. Number my days, find joy in the moment right now, trusting that I'm going to have everything I need right now, today, because that's promised, and playing the glad game, looking for things to be thankful for in the midst of challenging circumstances. Hopefully this encouraged you today. Share it with a friend if it speaks to you, and have a wonderful day.